Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to earn free Dogecoin using Trust Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, as you can see my current balance right there, I have received something about 73 Dogecoin directly on my Trust Wallet. So, let's move to the secret website that I'm going to show to you right now. Simply get to this Dogecoin mining website. Now, to start right here is very simple. Just copy your Dogecoin wallet address from Trust Wallet and put right there in this space. Then, put your wallet address and click right there on enter. After that, if you put your wallet address for the first time, your account will be created automatically. As you can see, my current balance in Dogecoin is still mining for absolutely free. So, let's talk about the withdrawal. Now, click on the upper right corner on the three dots and you will be asked to click on withdrawal. Now, you can see the minimum withdrawal is 200 Dogecoin, while the maximum withdrawal is 500 Dogecoin. So that's basically how you can earn free Dogecoin using Trust Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.